In the early days of the internet, we used it primarily for information sharing and communication. But as technology evolved, the internet became more sophisticated, giving rise to Web 2.0, a more interactive, collaborative, and user-driven experience. Now, as we look to the future, we are on the cusp of another paradigm shift, the emergence of Web 3.0, the Internet of the Future. Web 3.0 promises to bring decentralization, increased security, and greater transparency to the internet, transforming how we interact with technology, businesses, and each other. In this video, we will explore what Web 3.0 is and its implications for our digital world. So buckle up and get ready to explore the future of the internet with Web 3.0. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Picture this, a world where the internet isn't just a communication and information sharing tool, but a living, breathing ecosystem that interconnects data in a decentralized way. That world is Web 3.0, the next evolutionary step for the internet. With the power of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the semantic web, Web 3.0 is poised to deliver a faster, more personalized experience for every user. And with the added security of the blockchain system, you can rest assured that your data is safe and secure. Web 3.0 is set to disrupt the current tech landscape, and for good reason. It is a world where decentralization reigns supreme, empowering users and communities to take control of their data and transactions. Web 3.0 also leverages the power of the semantic web, allowing it to understand and interpret the context and meaning of data. This means that users can expect more accurate and relevant results when they search for information. And perhaps most exciting of all, Web 3.0 has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about data ownership and compensation. No longer will tech giants like Google, Facebook, and Microsoft be the sole beneficiaries of our data. Web 3.0 will enable us all to profit from our time and data, ushering in a new era of equity and empowerment for users. Let's look at the advantages of the semantic web, also known as Web 3.0. By leveraging the power of AI and machine learning, Web 3.0 is set to revolutionize how we interact with the internet. Here are some of its top advantages. Personalized experience. The semantic web understands the context and intent behind user queries, which enables it to deliver more personalized and relevant results. This means users can save time and find what they're looking for more quickly and easily. Improved efficiency. By reducing the need for manual intervention, Web 3.0 can automate many processes, leading to improved efficiency and productivity. This can benefit individuals, businesses, and organizations alike. Enhanced data sharing. The semantic web enables different data sources to be connected and shared, creating a more integrated and seamless online experience. This can lead to more accurate and comprehensive information being available to users. Increased transparency. With blockchain technology as the backbone of Web 3.0, transactions and interactions are more transparent and secure. This can help build trust and confidence in the online environment, which is crucial for businesses and individuals. Data privacy and control. Web 3.0's unbreakable encryption technology provides end users complete ownership and control over their personal information, preventing large organizations from accessing or using it without permission and ensuring data privacy and security. Restrictionless platform. Web 3.0's blockchain network provides users with the freedom to create addresses and interact with the network, regardless of their gender, income, or location. This ensures equal access and makes it easy for users to transfer assets or wealth globally in real time. Web 3.0 and blockchain. Blockchain is the underlying technology of Web 3.0, which redefines the data structures in the back end of the semantic web. Blockchain is a decentralized state machine that deploys smart contracts defining the logic of an application for Web 3.0. All the application data and codes are stored and managed on the blockchain, and this is collectively owned and maintained by a peer-to-peer network of nodes. When a user interacts with a Web 3.0 app, it utilizes AI and natural language processing to bring the required data or information straight from the blockchain. Web 3.0 and digital marketing. 1. Less emphasis on keywords and more on multimedia content that understands users' needs and queries. 2. Drastic decrease in near-me queries due to Web 3.0's automatic consideration of user location and behavior data. 3. Increase in voice search and optimization for specific and long-tail queries. 4. Greater importance placed on microdata and schema markup for understanding data in Web 3.0. 5. Growth in optimization for question keywords, featured snippets, and PAA section to answer users' questions accurately. 6. Rise of hyper-personalized experiences that adapt messaging and media formats for each visitor on Web 3.0. Web 3.0 and metaverse. The metaverse is a virtual world accessible via the internet, allowing users to interact with each other in a more lifelike environment through their avatars. Web 3.0, particularly blockchain technology, is critical in making the metaverse a reality. While the current focus is gaming, the metaverse has a broader scope, including education. In the future, Web 3.0 and metaverse will expand into all areas of society. In the coming decade, various Web 3.0 technologies will continue to grow and evolve, transforming how we live and work. These technologies include blockchain, cryptocurrency, semantic web, artificial intelligence, machine learning, metaverse, 3D graphics, decentralized autonomous organizations, edge computing, smart contracts, and decentralized apps. As these technologies advance, they will create new employment opportunities for people skilled in these areas. This includes jobs such as blockchain developers, AI and machine learning specialists, 3D graphic designers, and metaverse architects. These new opportunities will require people to learn new skills and stay updated with the latest technologies. Web 3.0 technologies will also lead to greater privacy of personal data. With the help of blockchain technology, users can control their data and decide who has access to it. Decentralized apps will also play a significant role in data privacy, enabling users to use online services without sharing their data with centralized authorities. Communication will become more streamlined and easier with Web 3.0 technologies. For example, decentralized messaging apps will allow people to communicate directly with each other without the need for intermediaries. Edge computing will also improve communication by enabling faster and more reliable data transfer. Web 3.0 technologies will enable remote work to become more prevalent. With the help of decentralized apps and smart contracts, people can work with others from all around the world without the need for intermediaries or centralized authorities. Infrastructure projects will become easier to illustrate with the help of 3D graphics and metaverse technologies. This will enable people to visualize and plan infrastructure projects more effectively, leading to better outcomes. Web 3.0 technologies will also transform the education system. For example, metaverse technology will enable immersive learning environments where students can interact with teachers and other students. Decentralized apps and blockchain technology will also improve access to education, making it more accessible and affordable. Finally, the healthcare system will be transformed by Web 3.0 technologies. With the help of artificial intelligence and machine learning, doctors and researchers can analyze vast amounts of data and discover new treatments and cures. Decentralized apps will also play a significant role in healthcare by enabling patients greater control over their medical data and access to healthcare services. There you have it. It's an exciting time for technology, and the possibilities seem endless. What do you think about the potential of Web 3.0? Do you see it as changing the way we live and work in the future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this information helpful and informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching.